In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello Planner. Whether you're a seasoned Trello user or just getting started, this feature can really enhance how you keep track of your tasks and schedule. Let's dive in and get you up and running with using the planner in Trello. First, to access the planner, look for the icon on the bottom panel of your Trello interface. It should be right there, waiting for you to click on it. But if you prefer a more keyboard-centric approach, or you're just quick with your fingers, there's a handy shortcut. Simply press the G key followed by the P key, and it'll whisk you straight into the planner. Once you're in, it's crucial to connect Trello Planner to a third-party online calendar manager. This will synchronize your Trello tasks with your calendar, giving you a comprehensive view of your schedule. You have a couple of popular options here. You might choose to link it to Google Calendar if you're in that ecosystem, or perhaps Outlook Calendar if that's your primary calendar management tool. This step is akin to giving Trello Planner its wings, allowing it to soar with all your scheduled tasks in one seamless timeline. After you've made that connection, take a glance at the top left corner of your screen. This area is where you can change the dates of your view. It's like your personal time machine, letting you navigate through days, weeks, or even months with ease. As you choose your dates, look below, and you'll see a list unfurling before you. This list contains all your tasks or cards that are scheduled for the date range you've selected. It's a snapshot of what demands your attention and when. Each task or card on this list can be clicked on for more detailed information. It's similar to flipping a card in a board game to reveal what's underneath, giving you insights into deadlines, attachments, or any additional notes you've set. Additionally, Trello Planner lets you do more than just look at your schedule. If you see gaps in your day or need to plan something new, click on any hour of the day directly from the Planner interface. This action enables you to add a schedule for that particular time, filling in your timeline with new tasks or meetings as required. And there you have it. That's all you need to start using the Trello Planner efficiently. Once you get a feel for it, you'll notice how seamlessly it integrates into your daily workflow. By consolidating your tasks and aligning them with your calendar, it transforms planning from a chore into a breeze. Happy planning!